Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about something that really confused me when I first tried it. Wrapping text inside a shape in Adobe Illustrator. I followed all the tutorials and did everything right, but the text just wouldn't wrap the way it was supposed to. And guess what? It were not just me, a lot of beginners and even some experienced users make the same mistake and end up wondering what went wrong. Stick with me till the end, cause if you're struggling, chances are you are missing just one small thing, like I was. And I'm gonna show you the full process, so watch closely and follow each step. You will see exactly where things can go wrong and how to fix it. So just watch now. So here's the shape. Unlock it and delete the background. So here I will now draw some lines, some straight lines, like the pen tool. So these are all our shapes. Now go to the selection tool and click on this shape. Hold the shift button and also select this shape, these three lines. But before that, I forget to fill this shape to know the difference. So select it and fill its shape. You can choose any other color. Suppose I'm gonna go with this color. And this shape is already selected. Hold the shift button. Also select these three shapes. Lines. Then go to the object and click on expand. Click OK. Go to the pathfinder. Click on window. Click on pathfinder and select divide. And you see all of these groups now. Ungroup it. Now you can see all of these are separate shapes. Go to the direct selection tool. Select these shapes. Hold the shift button. Now go to the edit and click on cut. Also select these remaining shapes and cut them. Make sure to select all the shapes. Then go to the edit, click on paste in front. So here it is, our shape. Now type some text. So these are all the text that we gonna write in this shape. So first of all, here people also do make mistakes. So watch clearly. In first shape, I am gonna wrap this text. Click this shape, hold the shift button and also select this shape. Go to the object, select envelope distort and make it top object. So that's the mistake I'm not talking about. That's the mistake people also face. So click OK and first select the shape and bring to front. The shape is already selected. Hold the shift button and select this text. Go to the object and now you see do with the all other objects shapes. So before that I'm gonna make it bring to front. I know it's not perfect, but that's not the point right now. I just wanted to show the kind of mistakes people often make when they are trying to wrap text inside a shape. I know how setting it is when we are doing everything right, but Illustrator still like no. But now you know what to check. Whether you're just starting out or you have been using Illustrator or bit, I hope this started out. Drop a comment if you hit the same issue, and if this video saved your sanity, give it a like and subscribe. Cheers for watching. See you in the next one. So here we will discuss about the mistakes that can be happen. Here's the mistaken part, what most beginners or maybe experienced one can do. So the first one is you trace your shape, say a plant pot, then draw some straight lines across it. You go to the pathfinder, click divide, and it looks like it's working. But then when you try to select these separate shapes, nothing really divided. The area type tool won't work, and you are stayed there thinking, why ain't mine look like the tutorial? So why it goes wrong? The thing is, we usually forget one or two small steps. Maybe you only selected the lines but not the shape itself, or maybe the shape was still locked, or Illustrator ignored it completely, or you clicked divide but did not ungroup after, and that's why your port stays in one piece, even though it looks like it should have been cut.